Okay, first up we have Audcad. So it's been about a week since I really looked at these charts, so I'm excited to get back at everything. So I marked this all out a little bit earlier. So this is your monthly parameters for Audcad. It moves roughly 300 pips a month, and this is kind of the top so far, September 1st right here. Roughly 88 level even. It did go a little bit higher, but we'll just leave it at 88 for easy measuring purposes. So 8500 down here, I'll adjust this so it's perfect, is actually our level we're looking at price heading to for the month, and you can see it's already done a good start. So heavily rejected this area many times, this 88 level, and then had this big bearish candle here, broke this little zone here that we had drawn, and then it actually retested this area here and is coming back down to this main area here that it's most likely going to break. So I'll delete this for now. Price is way below this 4-hour moving average, so that's good. It is creating lower lows. Hasn't really created a lower low yet relative to this one, but I think it will do upon opening tonight. It's pretty early in the morning, so right now it's 5:43 in the morning, so like another 12-ish hours until this starts moving and breaks this zone here. But yeah, markets are closed right now, so it's easy to go over them. But yeah, looking for price to break this area and then head lower to this 85 level. And so our first kind of entry that I would consider would be something like this. It's got to break this zone for me to really want to enter it. So, and then we'll just mark this all the way down to this 85 level here, so it's nice and even. And I got my October 1st marker here. Well, it turns out to be the 2nd, I guess, because that's the Monday. But yeah, so like this is our target. I like to break my trades down on monthly basis, even if I don't hold it this long, even if I break it into weekly segments, whatever. At least I know this is about how much this moves every month. It moves about 300 pips. If this is the high, then this is the targeted low. And so this is my kind of my trade setup part here. So I want it to break this zone, and then my stop will be most likely a little bit above this zone depending on where the wicks are and everything. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. You just want it to break this zone. You can see it is still kind of struggling to go lower. You can see it's got higher lows here, here, and here, but this is on the 1-hour time frame. So but on the higher time frames, it was making like it made a big lower low here relative to here. So this 4-hour, I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you go like this down, it goes down, up, down. So like that's your lower high, lower low on the 4-hour. And so it's just looking to recreate or create a new one once price opens up and yeah, and cracks this trend line. It'll start making the lower lows, lower highs on the 4-hour time frame. But this is the 1-hour, so, and you can see price is still below the moving average. So it is moving good. It does want to go down, so we'll just have to see what it does tonight when price opens. And then yeah, I'll check back on this tonight and just see if it breaks this zone, because I do like this trade a lot. Once price breaks this area, there is some price here as well. This was previous previous liquidity over here, so we'll see how that affects this. But once can actually extend this even a little bit to cover all these wicks. So I mean, this was a previous liquidity area, but so if price breaks this one, it goes into this one, and then I believe if it breaks this one too, then I mean it's pretty much straight down to 85. So on a daily segment here, you can see these wicks all right here, and so this is really, to really simplify it, this is your price has to break this zone, and then you adjust your stop accordingly, and then wait for a little bit of a retest, something like this, and then yeah, then you look for your entry, and then boom, straight down to 85. So I would assume most of these Aussie pairs are selling off this month, but we'll go through those soon. And yeah, so that's Audcad. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.